Hey guys, it's me Juliana de Guzman. So for today's video, we're going to solve isosceles problem. I mean trapezoids. So I'm gonna draw on some figure here. So wait. Sorry about my drawing. I'm not good at drawings. So let us just say that this is A, B, C, and then D. So as you can see, I draw the slant line here at the sides, the pink one. So I'm gonna explain it to you why. So in solving the isosceles trapezoids, there are some things that you need to know. So first, you need to know that the legs are congruent. So the AB is congruent to CD. So you're gonna write it like this. DC. There. So what else do we need to know? There are so many things that you need to know about isosceles trapezoids. So next is the bases are parallel. The upper base BC is parallel to the lower base AD. So as you can see, the BC is parallel to AD. The upper base is parallel to the lower base. So AD. Next is you need to know that the upper base angles are congruent. So the angle B is congruent to angle C. So there. And then the lower base angles are also congruent. Yeah, are also congruent. So the angle A is also congruent to angle D. This it looks like an L, right? So guys, this look like an L. It actually says that is the angle. That is the sign of the angle, and this is congruent like that, and this is parallel. So now because the lines are parallel, BC is parallel to AD, you can see the AB as a transversal. Transversal. So you can see that part there. It's transversal, and so as a result, these two angles are same side interior angles, and those angles are supplementary. So the supplementary. Okay. Next is, so we could say that the angle A, the angle A plus angle B, the sum of the measure of those angles are equal up to 180. Now the same is true for C and D. C plus will also equal to 180. So 80 degree, and also to the C and D, angle C and D. $80. There. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about are the diagonals. So, the diagonals are congruent. So, I'm gonna draw another picture. Okay, so let us just say again that this is A, B, C, and then D. So, sorry about that. So that is the diagonals. Who that is just like an X. It's a box like with an X. So that are the diagonals. Okay, so so AC is congruent to BD, and now we have a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. The sum of all four angles must add to 360. So A and B, so wait, let me just write that. There. They are congruent because the alignment of it. Okay, so triangle A plus angle B plus the angle C plus the angle D. There. So that must be added to 360. So those are some things you want to keep in mind when doing or with dealing with an isosceles trapezoids. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some problems. Okay. Just gonna draw it first. This is A, B, C, and D again. So, okay. Okay, there. So, give these trapezoids, and let's say we have these two diagonals. So, as you can see, the two diagonals. Let's say that AC is equal to 5x plus 4. Okay. It's 4. Now, let's say the BD is 8x minus 8. Okay, so the BD is 8x minus 8 and AC is 5x plus 4. So with this information, what is the measure of AC? How long is segment AC? So we know that for an isosceles trapezoids, the diagonals are equal to each other. So AC has to be equal to BD. The AC is equal to 5x plus 4 and the BD is 8x minus 8. So okay, so we're just gonna rewrite it in here. It's equals to 8x minus 8. Okay. This B, okay. AC is equals to BD. So what is the numbers that have the AC? So you're just gonna write it down here, and also for the BD. So in AC we have the 5x plus 4, and for BD we have the 8x minus 8. Okay, so hurry. Okay. Okay. So now at this point it just becomes an algebra problem. So let's subtract both sides by 5 and 8. So so yeah, to both sides. Okay. So I'm gonna use this pink ball pen. Okay. And then we're gonna solve it. Okay. Okay. So we got to cancel this and then cancel. So you just okay, wait. So on the left we have 4 plus 8, which is left side. We have to cancel it, and then 4x 4 plus 8, which is equal to 12. Okay. So on the right side, 8x minus 5x is 3x, and so 3x. So let us divide it in 3. So cancel. So 12 divided by 3, you can get your calculators to divide it. You can get a calculator. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So that is your answer. Okay. So we're not finished yet. Okay. Let us wait. So that you can calculate the measure of AC. So AC is 5x plus 4. Yeah, 5x plus 4. And let's substitute x with 4. Okay, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So let us substitute. Oh my god. There. Is equals to 20 plus 4. So 20 plus 4 is equals to 4. I mean 24. Why did I just write 4? It's 24, okay. 24. So that's the measure of AC in this example. So remember that for an isosceles trapezoid, the diagonals are equal. So you can see that diagonals, that is the diagonals. Okay.